This obviously is not working. You can't be pretty and clean and work in a shop. It just doesn't work like that. What is up, darlings? Welcome back to Kirsties'Karz. Oh, you can't really see them, but that's okay. They're here, I promise. We're gonna do less talking this time, more walking the walk on the Nova. We gotta get that puppy done, okay? So I'm super excited for today because it's a beautiful day, and every beautiful day is a lucky day and a blessed day to try and get something done, all right? And I don't work today, so that makes everything even better. You know what I mean? We're gonna get rocking on the Nova. Last video, we went ahead and primered the driver's side, which didn't turn out too bad. And we threw an extra coat on the firewall to freshen that up since it hasn't been touched since before my dad passed away, which was a long time ago. So we're just kind of freshening up everything. I'm finding little things to tackle here and there because I am waiting for primer to arrive. I listened to your guys' advice and I decided to go ahead and order a gallon of primer to where I can just use my gun. I have everything that I need to paint the car. Like literally everything, I'm pretty sure. Mostly, maybe. If my air compressor is able to handle the job. But we're gonna give it a whirl, man. I am ready to use the gun. I'm sick of the freaking rattle cans. Sick of the explosions. That was crazy last time. Never had that happen. Still in awe over that. Still trying to clean it up, so that's fun. But I don't want to do that again. So we're gonna do the whole gallon, we're gonna lacquer primer the whole freaking car. It's gonna be easy, and it should be smoother. Like, not only the process of doing it, but the outcome in general should just be smoother. It should just be way better than a rattle can, so I'm excited. Today though, we're gonna get going on that Fender that I was talking about, right there. It has a nice rivet patch in it that I did previously in my channel when I was trying to learn just a little bit of everything. Okay, and now that I have kind of mastered, I wouldn't say mastered, okay, I've gotten better at welding, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that rivet patch and do it right and weld it in. I might have to make a new patch, but we'll figure it out. It's gonna be great. So I'm gonna finish that up, fix that up, so that way I can start, you know, matching body panels and, you know, fitting them and making sure that everything lines right. But first I wanna get that patch done before I put it back on the car. See what I'm saying? Do it while it's off the car. It's gonna be a lot easier in my book. That's what I think. We're going for it. Oh my goodness. Okay, but other than that, we're gonna dive inside and clean up some of the other panels that I have painted previously. Get everything cleaned up and looking good because I don't know, it just gives you this like boost of like confidence, and it gives you like the motivation to get out here and get stuff done when the car is clean. I don't know if that makes sense, but when I come out here and the car's all like dusty and crusty and you're just like, I don't really feel like dealing with this today. And I feel like that's kind of the loop I've been stuck in for a couple years now. So let's keep the car clean. Let's get rocking on everything. All the little stuff that I've been avoiding, we're gonna tackle. So that's exciting. Who's excited for Nova Day? Ooh, let's go. All right, there she is. My perfect rivet patch. I mean, I really did a good job. I like matched the factory little cutouts and stuff, and I did my best, you know? But now that I look at it, like, I really don't want this on there. So, that's today's task. So that's what she looks like. I just covered it up. Not the best plan on my part, okay? But that's why we're here, ready to fix it, is because I know what I did wrong, and I'm ready to fix it. We got the patch out. Heck yeah. Now it is time to build a new patch. Okay, this should honestly test my skills. Well, if we dive inside, there's a lot of stuff that I've been storing in here, aka parts, pieces. I somewhat tried to like put the other pieces in there, but I need to take them back out so I can clean them off. But if you guys remember, we got all the kill mat done, and the doors, and the roof, the floorboards. We were crushing it earlier a couple years ago. But now I gotta come back in here, clean everything out. It's a lot to do. It's a lot to keep up with. It's a lot of all of it. But if I just take a little bit out of each of my days and come out here and try and get done some stuff while I can, it's gonna go a lot faster. So that's what I'm doing. That's why these videos are so sporadic and just like jumbled and mixed up piece by piece. I mean, I might be in different outfits, and that's because it's taken multiple days to get this video done. It's just how it works, you guys. The thing is I don't know what we're doing today. We're just gonna do it, okay? Like, there's a lot to be done, obviously, but there's like a process to it all, and I have a list, and you guys should know this if you've watched my other videos. But we're just gonna say the list today and just do what little things we can get done without getting too incredibly dirty, I guess. Usually I wouldn't care, but today's a different day, so I just gotta get something done because it's eating at me, all right? Yeah, so we're just gonna get like something done. I know I said, oh, let's do a video where I don't get dirty. I've absolutely destroyed myself already. This obviously is not working. You can't be pretty and clean and work in a shop. It just doesn't work like that, you know what I'm saying? So thank goodness we have our Kirsties'Karz hoodies. You guys could get one too if you wanted to. I'll put the link in the description. It's always there. But oh, I just messed up my buttons. Oh no. Okay, we're alright. It was, you know, a beauty contest today. I do have plans, but now we're just going full Nova. There ain't no going back now. Full Nova. Keep coming. Keep it coming. Yeah. Perfect. Alright, so those are all painted. Woo-woo! Now we're gonna work on these bad boys, which should be fun. Cleared out some room up here though. We're gonna grab these and just make ourselves a little spot. We'll pop open the door. Bam, you know, have a little paint session over here, sanding and painting, which is honestly one of my favorite things to do. I'm actually finding joy in it nowadays, you know? So that's always good. It's a brand new day though. It's a rough day, but it's a good day. You know what I mean? I don't know how to describe it. But this video truly is just a collage of like so many different days. Like, I'm sorry you guys. Life has been so chaotic. So we're going from this to this. Little compare and contrast there, just trying to get rid of all the rust. Get a nice clean base to start painting. And these go in the very back, they cover up the hatch area, so I don't know if I'll actually be using them, but I probably will be, so screw it. So I pretty much coated them with some rust remover. Just gonna let them sit for a little bit and then we'll wipe it down. And they should be golden. I just found this stuff. It works really well. I'm digging it. I love it. Good stuff. Epoxy paint. No need for epoxy primer on some of these just metal pieces that I'm doing, you know. Get all the rust off. Bam. I dig it. Alright, it's time to tackle the tunnel. This tunnel needs love. It is the one part really that I have not gotten to, so it's time to hit the tunnel with the wire wheel of death. That thing is crazy. We're gonna clean this all up from here on back. What a beautiful day. Oh my goodness. Repurposing the kids' old little alphabet squares as little mats for underneath. I mean, it's freaking brilliant. Been using cardboard, but gosh, I've had these sitting up in a bag up there for freaking ever. And I was like, dude, just got to do a little bit of puzzle piecing, but heck yeah, repurposing at its finest. It was so freaking dirty up in here, I had to take a break and use the old leaf blower and just clean everything out. Fresh start. Feels good. Feels clean under there again. So, get back under here and finish the rest. Alright, got it pretty clean so far. Just getting started though. Have to go all the way down the tunnel. So, this stuff was really bad though, so I just went ahead and got all this first. That is looking a lot better. I went and got all the way down. Obviously it's dusty and dirty, so we're gonna give her a wash. Whew. I'm like a different color right now. I am completely coated. Whew. It is beautiful. Yes. Alright, so we're getting somewhere, you guys, you know? We got these pieces sanded and done. Got all these pieces freshened up. We got inside freshened up to where she looks nice and shiny again. And we got all that done. I'd say we're making pretty good progress. Kind of slow, you know, kind of having to redo mistakes that we made previously, but that's what it's all about, okay? I am not gonna figure this all out without mistakes. There's gonna be mistakes made. Oh my gosh. Look at this. And this was because there was a spider on my head. I freaked out. It's time for shower. Shower time! So heck yes, thank you guys for joining me. We'll be back very, very soon.